On behalf of the entire sales team at Crossroads Trailer, we appreciate the opportunity to sell you the best semi-trailer in the industry. Today, we're introducing Crossroads Trailer's stock Reefer trailer. This trailer is based on Great Dane's trusted Everest series refrigerated trailers. The Crossroads stock Reefer trailer was uniquely spec'd by Crossroads, featuring our customers' favorite specs and unique options found only on Great Dane trailers. The Crossroads stock Reefer trailer can only be found at one of our 3 sales locations throughout the upper Midwest and Colorado. The features on this trailer consist of stainless steel corner radius, cast top corner radius protection piece, stainless steel turn-up on the pickup plate and stainless steel bottom radius surround, large refrigeration hole to facilitate carrier or Thermo King Units, 5 PC-rated LED lights on top and bottom rails, Grote wiring harness with 10-year warranty, hat-shaped crossmembers ahead of the landing gear, Holland no lube landing gear with 10-year warranty, LED PC-rated midship turn signal, 216-inch slider rail length, 8 aluminum wheels, Low Pro 22.5 Bridgestone tires, Tire Max tire inflation, HXL5 wheel end with 5-year warranty, Hendrickson Ultra K suspension, available with drum brake or disc brakes, available with Sherlock or DST, shockless ZMD airbags, hinged mud flap brackets, 3 LED stop, turn, tail lights per side, stainless steel rear frame, doors and ICC bumper, triple gasket rear door seal, puncture guard wall liner with microband technology, 5 aluminum dock plates, 1 3/8-inch aluminum duct floor, 12-inch aluminum scuff band with fasteners, composite floor sills throughout the trailer. Additional aftermarket options are available. Some of these options include Trans-Tech side skirts, Smart Truck aerodynamic systems, document holders, right-weight air scales, and many more. To learn more about this trailer and all the other trailers we carry, please visit one of our 3 sales locations, our website, or give us a call at one of our sales locations.